Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through how to turn on broadcasts and spaces notifications on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the web version on your PC. If you never want to miss a live conversation or a broadcast again, this short guide will have you set up and ready in just a few moments. First, open X on your browser. Head over to x.com and log into your account if you aren't already signed in. Once you're on your home feed, focus your attention on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu with several options like Home, Explore, Messages, and Notifications. Click on Notifications. When your notifications page opens, look toward the top right or top left corner, depending on your layout, and click on Settings. This will take you into the area where you can manage what kinds of alerts and updates you receive. Next, select Preferences. Under Preferences, you'll see an option for push notifications. Click on that, and a new list of notification types will appear. These settings let you choose what kind of activity you want to be alerted about while using X. Now, under the section labeled From X, you'll notice an option called Broadcasts and Spaces. This is the feature that keeps you updated whenever someone you follow starts a live audio space, or when a new broadcast goes live. To turn it on, simply check the box next to Broadcasts and Spaces. That's it, your setup is complete. From now on, you'll get instant notifications whenever a broadcast or space begins, so you can join the conversation in real time. It's an easy way to stay connected to live discussions, interviews, and events happening right on X. So, take a moment to follow these quick steps, and you'll never miss another live moment again. Thanks for watching.